Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Harun CH. Today I'm going to show you how to install ps1 games on Android device. For this you have to install ps1 emulator. Go on Play Store and search ps1 emulator. Matsu player PSX emulator. Okay, here I've installed it. I am not installing this again. Now go back, go on Google Chrome and search www.love.roms.com. Okay, Love.roms.com. Now you have to install ps1 ROMs. For that, go down here, PlayStation, only PlayStation, no PlayStation 2, PlayStation. Here, this is downloading, opening here. They are all ROMs of ps1. I have installed that. I'm not installing that again. I have downloaded this. When you download these ROMs will be in the RAR file. You have to unrar this. Go on Google Play Store, write RAR Pro. Okay, here you have to install this one. I have installed it. I am not installing this again. Okay, now go to the player and search for games. Okay, if you unrar the game, then you have to open Mono Grand Prix CUE or BIN. I am opening CUE. New game, continue. Here, your PS1 games are starting. Okay, I have downloading Monaco. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. If you have any complaint, please comment on my channel. Okay, bye.